Hi there. Today I'm going to tell you all about a new bed I created so that I have more space for new plants. So originally the land sloped down from the cottage to the wall here next to the stream. There are walls on either side of the stream that have been there since the 1800s when the neighbouring property was a woolen mill. Unfortunately, the wall here had fallen in, so we had it rebuilt, and the builder we used filled it in with rubble and grit that he compacted down, and it was kind of a wasted space. So I chipped away at it and filled 3 big bags. As I went along, I refilled the area with mushroom, compost and manure, soil, and regular general purpose compost. The general purpose compost was leftover compost from things like peppers and the like that I planted over the summer. I also had to rebuild the wall in places. I'm really pleased with the finished result. There is an area that I have left, and that's because it's right next to the bridge and is going to get trampled on when it comes to doing what I have planned next for the bridge, which I'm quite excited about. I'll fill this area in with soil and compost when the bridge is done. The area is now ready to plant, but it's early winter now, so I'm gonna wait till spring and then get started. Having said that, there is a tree I'd like to get in the ground now. So this here is Prunus spire. It's a flowering cherry with beautiful pinkish white flowers in the spring. So as the name Prunus spire suggests, it grows in a quite compact column-like form and should get to about 6 to 8 meters in height and about 3 meters wide. So it's a good fit for the space here. I don't really want a tree that's going to impact on the lovely view down the stream. So having one that's a column-like in form is perfect, because the view down the stream is lovely with the mossy walls. So now I've chosen a position for it, I'm just going to make an indentation with it into the soil there, so I can see where to dig the hole. So I've created the hole and I'm just going to check the level. There we go. I'm also going to put a layer of composted bark on top of here, but I'll wait until I put all the other plants in first. That will prevent weeds from growing and it just makes it look nice, really. So I'm going to take the tree out of the pot. I've just remembered this was for bare root. So I just put it in this pot temporarily. So when I take it out, none of the compost is going to stay together. So what I'll do is I'll empty out to the side. There we go. Right, I think that should be about the level I want. I have here some mycorrhizal fungi, which I will just sprinkle around the roots and into the planting hole. mycorrhizal fungi work with the plant's roots to provide nutrients. Then it's time just to fill the soil back in. I'm going to firm it in around the edge. Almost like I'm making a cone shape with it because I don't want to damage any of the roots. Okay, just check it straight. Okay, so the last thing to do is water it in. Even if it's raining, you still want to give it a good water, just to make sure that there's no air gaps and that the roots have good contact with the soil. And that's it, job done. I'll be making another video in the spring talking all about how I plant this area up, which I still have to decide about. So please subscribe to my channel, plus back, and that way you won't miss that video or any other future videos. Thank you very much.